Hi friends, this is Sarah. Welcome to Crafting and Relaxing, and this is my craft room. I've been tidying and it's an ongoing series that you've seen, and I've been putting this off. If you saw many months ago, I put this magnet up on the wall and I made a practice of keeping smaller dies that worked with my sidekick in this box, just a little 4x6 photo box. And that was really handy for going to friends' houses. I don't know, I guess I thought the virus was gonna end any time because I haven't unpacked this box. And die cutting in bed at night, which I do, or watching TV. But what's happened is the box has gotten too full, and I'm pretty sure I have dies in here that don't even work with my sidekick, and the sidekick is the little tiny one. So these are the cutting mats for it. So what I usually do is anything that doesn't work, yeah, see, it doesn't work. On this, I don't keep in here. And the other thing is I'm a little confused at this point about what dies I have. So I've accepted the fact that as part of my craft room tidy up, the dies need to go back on the wall and get organized. I may also have dies in here that aren't even mine, that I've borrowed and misplaced, so I need to take a look for that because that's something I do. So I'm hoping this inspires you. I've been avoiding doing this and dealing with this box for at least a couple of weeks. I've been tidying around it and I knew it had to be done because there are dies I can't find. I'm still looking for them, and I dug through the other day and still didn't find a few of them. Okay, I tried to make it so you could see the pile that we had to start with, but I couldn't make it so that you could see this and the pile at the same time. So you'll just have to, I'll just have to tell you when we're done. I try and set the sets together because then I know I have all the parts, and also it helps me save space. And my magnet is a little bit floppy because I didn't put a backing on it. Oops. I have a set of those somewhere. The other thing is I try and tape sets of dies together. So this one came all together, they fit together. So I try and keep these taped together. And that's really easy when I put them on the wall as a set, but in the box they get mixed up. But this isn't a regular circle die out of a different set, it goes with this one. Okay friends, I think I have all my dies put away. I have a few down here, a bit out of your eyesight. These are borrowed. So what I typically try and do is the borrowed ones, I don't put on the board because I'll get them mixed in. Like this one right here, I'm pretty sure this is my friend Noni's and it needs to go back to her. So I'm gonna take it down and then I'll look at the rest of these. I think they might be mine, but sometimes I have to check. And I didn't put the seasonal ones up here because I should be using them. There's a cute little gingerbread man right here. I'm not gonna put them up here. But what was happening is I was looking for joy, which I use all year round, and I couldn't find my old one. I needed some circles. And I'm embarrassed to tell you, this took 10 minutes. That's it. And I've been putting it off for at least a week or two. So maybe you have a project in your room that would make you happy and not take very long. Go ahead and do it. I hope you're enjoying this tidying series, and I hope that at some point there's a video at the end where my room looks amazing. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.